to getting the engine back together. I think I'm gonna get the axles put back in, maybe get the headlights in, and traction bar. Try to get out all that done today, just a little bit at a time, tackling away. All right, let's see what those headlights. All right, next up, let's see. I think we should tackle the axles, and then we'll hit the traction bar up because I have to take the suspension, not really apart, but you know, pretty far down to get the traction bar in. We'll loom up, we'll start wiring back in headlights and bumper lights on both sides, my battery, power, and everything. Make sure everything still lines up good. Should be cool. Damn, looks super good, just with the headlights back in. This is the stock axle length, about 26 inches. That goes to the half shaft, but we need it to be a couple more to get rid of some play, like a half-inch more. This is just so memory and for whoever else is using stock axles. I think that's the stock TSX 04 to 08 axle, and the other one's a stock Honda Element axle. But that one fits in good. It's just that side. Super sketch. So update, I kind of went a little in and mounted up the radiator back. Fully mounted, hoses are on, everything's tight. I just need to wire in, ground in the power to my switch. What else did I do? I got the axles all ran, both axles. Kind of rerouted my brake lines and put a lot of like heat tape just around brake lines. I don't want stuff to get hot. I think I might make a shield actually for my brake booster, my brake lines to my master. I don't know, we'll see, because I have the turbo blanket and everything, so all that should be decent. It shouldn't be that bad. All vacuum lines ran, fuel lines, everything. Everything's all heat sleeved up already. I just need to put the throttle cable bracket, and I'm gonna get that bracket today for the shift linkage. And I think I'm also getting my other brake line so I can bleed that. I did bleed the clutch, and oh my god, this freaking Clutch Master twin disc, that's nasty. That's gonna be interesting to try to drive. We'll see how that goes. And right here you can see kind of the angle of the stock axles. Fit fine. I just need to tighten the, obviously the 36mm nut. But, oh, I think I should, I'm gonna drain my transmission too. But you guys can see the angle that the axles sit at. So I think they're supposed to make V2 version of the mounts, which should put the axles a little bit more straight so they're not off like that, because that's pretty insane angle. I haven't really had a problem with it. Only using the stock axles is this. It kind of comes out that far. See that little gap? Which I have broken axle because I did a complete U-turn and I didn't notice it popped out. This was after a track day and it disintegrated the entire boot of the axle and my oil filter. But little by little, almost there. Almost ready for a first start. I got my oil too. Only VR1, 2050. OEM filters only. Valvoline gear oil. Valvoline antifreeze. You know how it is. Videos.
We're aspiring people.
Does it have fuel pressure?
Mm-hmm. It was at like 50.
outside.